boiling.
Yes, but it's gonna boil out. You're gonna taste it. You're gonna take up the spoon, touch it in the middle of your hand, your other hand, this hand, and tell me if you think it need more salt or if it have a little taste. What do you think is miss? You don't need to take any other spoon. That's enough.
I feel like there's a bit too much salt.
You think there's too much salt?
Yes.
You know why you think there's too much salt? Because you just put the bouillon in there and you didn't wash the bouillon off of your hand. So go wash the bouillon off of your hand. Hi sis, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I should have put you guys on the tripod to make that easier, but okay, here we are. I was just telling Tyler that this is a vloggable moment. I was in the kitchen and he come to me and he said, Mama, I want to cook with you. He's been asking me for a few days now to teach him how to cook. Whose hand is this? You want to say hello? Say hi.
It's a vloggable moment.
So I just told him this is a very vloggable moment, so let's vlog it. So he wants to learn how to cook. So I just told him that any type of pasta is one of the easiest things to cook. So here I am about to teach Tyler how to cook spaghetti. So first, you put the water in the pot, cold water. You put a little bit of salt. Yes. Next time I'll show you the amount of salt because I already put the salt. And anytime you're cooking any type of pasta, you put a little oil in it. The reason why you put oil in it is why? No. So that when the pasta finish cook, they don't stick together. Okay? So, whenever you're cooking spaghetti, I like to cut the spaghetti in half. Some people like to just put the entire spaghetti, but I don't like to do that. So it's best to just cut the spaghetti in half. So you take a set of the spaghetti like this. You hold it and you break it over the pot without touching the pot. You're too far away from the pot. Don't be afraid of the pot. No, you hold it in the middle. In the middle, hold the spaghetti in the middle. No, like this. Hand in the middle.
Okay.
Break it. Keep going. Oh, drop it in there. Yeah, but you have to drop it neatly. Look at it. And you're gonna do another set, the same thing that you just did. But you have to do it fast because you don't want some cook and the others don't cook. That's okay. They fly everywhere. Come, go again. Very good. You see, it didn't fly this time. Then you need to have your spoon and you need to hold the pot. Here, that is black is not hot. Mix it slowly. Mix it like this. You're trying to make the spaghetti not stick together when it's cooking. Okay, I think we need a little bit more spaghetti, so we're gonna put a little bit more. Here. Do the same thing. Very good. Drop that in and do the same thing. Now, once your spaghetti is boiling, you can turn down the heat to half of the amount. So right now it's on 6, so you can put it on 3.
Which one is on 6?
This one is the one you're using, so turn it on 3. Very good. Okay, so to avoid the stove, the spaghetti becoming bubbly and run over on the stove, you put the spoon right here to make it cook. And you leave it there. This spaghetti says it's to cook for 3 minutes, but typical mama style is gonna go for longer than that. So you can go to 6 minutes, or you can test it when it's cooked. But I'm gonna show you how to know when it's cooked. So right now, because you're just learning, we're gonna give it 6 minutes. So look on the clock and know that when it passed the 11, when it passed, no, the 11. When it passed the 11, you know it's cooked, okay?
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna just put it here. I'm just changing the spot because we're doing something else. Okay? This one. We're making the the meat, the ham and cream to go with the spaghetti, right?
So I saw that you put oil down for the
I put a little bit of oil because I'm kind of frying the ham. Okay? Then we're gonna put a bottle of a pack of cream in this. Not right now, princess. You'll help me after, okay? Everybody wanna help right now. Hold on, because Faye's not seeing what you're doing. Don't throw it in there yet. I'm going for the tripod. Okay, so that's better. They can see you. So now we're gonna shake this before you open it. You shake it, open it, and you're gonna throw it out in here.
Slowly or
Slowly, yes.
how you close it?
Too tight?
Yes.
Okay. Throw it out in there, all of it. Squeeze the box as you throw it. Turn it down completely. Squeeze the box. Get all of it out. Then I shake it a little bit because it's thick. Shake it, man. Don't be afraid to shake it out. Hey, hey. Yes, but you have to control where the thing's going. Okay, give it to me. This is not enough, so we're gonna put one more. Wait. I think there's one hidden behind the door. No.
We will use this one.
Throw it out in it. Squeeze the box as you throw it. Squeeze it. Very good. Okay. That's good.
Now we mix.
Now you mix. Very good. Don't hold the spoon strong and mix. Your spoon's supposed to be touching the bottom of the pot.
It's touching the bottom.
Okay. So now we're gonna season this, right? To make it have a little flavor. So we're gonna use a bouillon. So you're gonna crumble this out into, smash it out, squeeze it out with your hand. It's okay, squeeze it hard. You can do one at a time, one side at a time. Keep going. Okay, now you're gonna mix that. Careful your hand. Mix it. No, it's okay. You're cooking, it's fine.
It looks
Mix it normal. Voila. You look strange?
Yes.
Okay.
See
hold on.
green.
Yes, but it's gonna boil out. You're gonna taste it. You're gonna pick up the spoon, touch it in your middle of your hand, your other hand, this hand, and tell me if you think it need more salt or if it have a little taste. What do you think is miss? You don't need to take any on the spoon. That's enough.
I feel like there's a bit too much salt.
You think there's too much salt?
Yes.
You know why you think there's too much salt?
Because
you just put the bouillon in there and you didn't wash the bouillon off of your hand. So go wash the bouillon off of your hand. What a beautiful sunset outside. Okay, are you looking on the clock for your spaghetti?
Yes, I was looking on Yanni's. Ready in
2 minutes.
55 seconds.
Okay, come. Go again. Careful. Mix it. Taste it now again. Hi.
It's good.
Okay, so whenever you're tasting something in your hand, mind you that this is hot. So you have to go fast. Don't.
Okay.
This will burn you. I'm trying to also let you get used to hot things.
Okay.
Okay, so this is fine. Now you have to wait until it boil and become a little bit thick. Right? So now you have to get ready to strain off your spaghetti.
Ready in 5 seconds.
Okay,
5.
get down.
4, 3, 2, 1.
You think when you're cooking, you're gonna have time to count down? Get the calendar to strain off the spaghetti. You know what you're going
Calendar.
for? What is called a calendar? Yes.
Calendar.
Open. It's called a calendar in English. It's the green thing with the little holes.
Oh. What is?
You have it in your hand, Ty. Ty, the green thing with the little holes.
I heard green.
Green. You have to go faster than that. Your food will burn, Ty. You have things on the... No, I'm not taking it. You have to go fast. Your food will burn. Put it in the sink. Right. No! Just put it down in the sink.
Oh,
Put it down in the sink. Like this.
Okay.
You're gonna carry this pot and you're gonna throw out the water, get down off the step. You're not even supposed to be standing on the step while you're in the kitchen. You're tall enough. Okay? So,
Okay.
this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna switch this around. Put this here. That's okay. Get used to the steam. Wait. No. The part that is black is usually not hot. But still for you, I'm going to give you the gloves. Okay? Don't touch. Put your hand in here. Right? It's called a mitten.
I know.
You know where's the other one?
Cats. The free
You remember
little
the mitten
kitten.
book?
Yes.
Okay, so we can also use this for the other side.
I don't know what it is.
It's the same thing, but you don't put your hand in this one. This one just go like this. But because this side is cold, that won't give you anything. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna carry this and throw it out slowly in this.
What happens if there's a spaghetti that falls?
That's okay. That's normal and that will happen. Go ahead, lift it up. Come to the sink. Look at the green pan and throw it in there. Don't let the water touch your hand. So you throw it this way. So let me help you. Forward. Throw. Don't put your face over it. It's hot. Voila. Very good. Now you're going to bring this pot back to the section where there is no heat. Good job. You did well. So, we make this water run off. Okay? You see the spaghetti coming through the hole? He's too funny. Come. I'm gonna bring this pot back here. Hold it here, that is not hot. And you're gonna throw back the spaghetti into the pot. All of it. Very good. Bring back the pot here.
Oof. Just a bit hot.
Now your cream is almost ready, but we're going to let it finish ready on the pasta. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. We're gonna throw the cream onto the spaghetti, right? So I'm gonna put on a handle for you. Okay, I'm gonna let you do it. To open this handle, you flip this back, put it onto the pot, and flip it and squeeze the bottom. Very good. Hold on. Hold it. And we're gonna throw all of it into this pot. Okay? Don't be afraid of the steam. The steam won't do anything as long as you keep your face away from it. You see? You did good. Put this back here. Let it go, let it go. And this pot, we're gonna bring it here and turn it down very low.
I feel
the
it
spoon.
cold one.
Get the spoon and hold on to this pot and mix it up from the bottom. You have to not let the spaghetti stick in there. Okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna give you a piece of butter to put in it. Now, normally when you finish cooking pasta, you throw a piece of butter, you put a piece of butter in it to really avoid it from sticking. Okay? Come,
put more
stop
taste.
mixing. It's not porridge. You don't keep mixing. Here.
1 spoon.
Yes. About, hold on. about that. Take
Wow.
it. Take it.
1.5 spoons.
Put it in it.
I can scrape it?
Yes. Whichever way it make it come off. Very good. Now you mix the butter in. Hold the pot. Hold the pot. If you don't hold the pot, it's gonna move. And you have to hurry because I hear it sticking. We're gonna take it off of the stove. It's sticking too much. And we don't want to get rid of the sauce. You need the sauce to stay. You see that? Your sauce is in. Everything looks beautiful. And guess what? Guess what?
What?
You just cook your first meal. Ha! Let's take a look at it. Okay, stop mixing. And that looks good. How you feel?
Good.
Feel
Happy.
good? Feel happy?
Yes.
Good
So
job.
we're eating only that?
No, we're gonna make something else.
I can
Alright, so
help you?
Tyler, the first lesson. Yes, you can help me.
Okay.
All done. Good job, Ty.